I pulled this out of the scrap bin for our heart. Now, I'm going to finish tapering this out a bit. I think we're going to put some twists in it. A reverse taper right here. And let's see, before we do the twists, we'll forge this out into the hook shape and get that all going. Alright, so let's get to it. I'll just pop that in the forge. Start by working that reverse taper in there and flattening out the hook section. And we'll square that up a bit. Straightened out. We're going to go ahead and flatten out that hook and give it a little curl once we get those twists done in the heart. Then we're going to shape the whole thing. Actually work. Square that up a little bit more. That way we can get a nice, more uniform twist. Than it appears to be right now, due to my lighting right here. Work this section out right here. It's a little thinner here than it is up here. Over here. overheat. Clean this off real quick. One more tap ready to shake. So, this next heat, we're gonna go to that reverse taper that I was talking about and get that section all evened up. Then we're gonna go and do the twists. And after that, we're gonna finish up the hook and get it all shaped up. So we don't want to do all too much of a taper. Let's just take this tap by tap, take a heat or two to do it, just to get it right, okay? See, it's getting there right there. It's already almost there. Maybe 2 or 3 more whacks. So, yeah, we just need to get this all evened out now. Get a little bit more of a taper there. And, yeah, we'll see how this goes. Pretty good. Let's move on to the twists. Let's see. Let's stick it in right here. So, just no particular kind of twists here. Again, no particular kind of twists here, just pretty much at random. another twist. Get 2 more twists. I'm not too worried about damaging the twists. I usually go over them lightly with a hammer just to give them my own little signature flair to it. And it also adds a little bit more length to it. So, 1 more twist right here. We're going to do another twist right here, and then we're going to give it a little tap-a-rooney up the length. Twist right here. Ooh. Let's see if we can do this before we run out of propane. Looking good. Decent anyway. Alright. Now all that's left to do is shape that into a heart. Bend there. Just give it a little bend there. At this point, oh well. Use what we can. Get that a bit separated. Probably should have waited to bend that over. They're getting the shape. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, there we go. Wow. Love it when tongs get stuck. Oh! Now that sucks. Okay, so lesson learned today. Make sure you have plenty of propane so you don't run out. Be prepared with what you're going to do. If you're going to bend, have something to actually bend these with. As we saw, the project was a bit of a fail, so next time, see if we can rectify that. But it was starting to look pretty good. Starting to, until I broke that little junction there. And that probably cracked when I bent it a little bit. So yeah, lesson learned. Yeah, we'll try this again sometime. Thanks for watching.